What's going on? I'm Wendy Jo. I am back with another super quick tutorial for you guys on how to use the email and SMS feature on beacons. I had somebody ask about this, so I am just going to jump in here really quick. Make sure if you are new here that you subscribe to my channel here and follow so you don't miss any of the new tutorials. And let's jump into this. I'm going to share my screen as I always do. Okay, so I am actually logged into my daughter's Beacons account. I like to use her little account just because there's not a lot of information in here yet currently, and I'm actually going to make this the only tab open. Okay, so when you are on your main page and you have the ability to add a block here, you can choose to add an email and SMS block. And when you add that, this is what it is actually going to look like in there. You can choose whether to collect email addresses or SMS, which would be text messages. You can also choose, and you're going to look over here to see what this looks like. My words are too long for this version, but if you use the compact version, then it's going to give you just kind of this. So people can click here, put their email address in and click submit. I do the card just because it says be the first to know about product launches. It gives a little bit more room. And then instead of submit, I'm going to put let me know first. And so that way they can put their email address in here. They can click that, and I am going to then collect their email address, and then they're going to receive this message. So instead of saying submitted, I will put you will be the first to know. And so what you have to do is, if you set it up like this, you have to remember, if you're doing a product launch, you set a product launch date or whatever it is you want to offer to your subscribers. You need to go in here and make sure that you let them know first, because they're not going to be happy if you put out a new product launch and you've said, hey, you're going to be the first to know, and then they're not the first to know. You can collect the information right here inside of Beacons, or if you have a MailChimp or Substack or Zapier account, you can collect it through there. I just do it through Beacons. It is all connected here, and then you're good to go. How you see if anybody has subscribed is simply by viewing my subscriber list. And obviously I have no subscribers on here right now because this is such a new account, but that's what it's going to look like. And then you really can just arrange it however you want. I am actually going to move it down below my TikTok shopping because I want my TikTok shopping to show up first. So this is what my link looks like for her Sweeties account. This is my daughter's business, but people can shop. They can shop my TikTok, which I just did a video on that. So if you didn't see, it's right here. And then here at the bottom, they can subscribe. So you can use that feature for a newsletter. You can use it for, first to know type things with product launches. So like if you have a small business, you can use it to offer something free. So sign up for my newsletter and receive a copy of my free ebook or whatever, whatever you want to do. And you can customize all of this. Like if you want to have a name field, then you put their name and their email address. If you want to add a custom field, then you can do that. So you can put something in here that you need to know for whatever reason. Like if you need to know their age, if whatever you're selling, they need to be over 18, then birth date could be on there, whatever you want to add. But then that's all there is to it. And then this is how you go in and you see who your subscribers are, and you can organize them from there. So I hope this helps answer your questions. Make sure again that you subscribe for all of the updates that are coming on this YouTube channel. We're so close to being monetized, and so I'll be able to pour even more into my trainings and answer more of your guys' questions. You guys have a good one.